Welcome back, everybody. So today we just did an oil change on my wife's 2020 Mazda 3. There's nothing wrong with the headlights, by the way. That's just how the LED lights show on the camera. And right now we are going to reset this maintenance due soon reminder. So with Mazda, everything is controlled by the radio. And your radio controls are all down here. So what you'll want to do is make sure you go back to the main menu like so. And then you're going to mainly use this guy right here. So what you'll want to do is go up to information, go down to vehicle status monitor, go down to vehicle maintenance settings, reset oil change distance. Do you want to reset the remaining distance until your next oil change? Yes, reset. Oil change distance reset. And now the maintenance light is off. Then replace this with a nice new one. And with Mazda, it's important to give yourself this reminder, because looking back at this, the maintenance light didn't even come on until almost 10,000 miles. With Toyota, the maintenance light starts flashing around 4,500 miles. I'm guessing letting it go longer before reminding you is more of a Mazda thing. But if you follow my channel, you know I'm not really a fan of the 10,000 mile oil changes. I just don't believe in letting them go that long. But moving kind of set me behind a little bit. Even the Highlander kind of had to wait a little bit. But that's also why you want good oil with a good additive. Mobil 1 says they'll protect your engine up to 20,000 miles. Hopefully nobody's letting their vehicle go that long. And yeah, not gonna lie, the Mazda's actually kind of fun to drive for what it is. The 3 wasn't really built with guys my size in mind, but once I'm in, yeah, it's a nice car. But I gotta clean this up and it's getting hot out here, so you guys take it easy. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you guys next week.